Hey everyone, this is Dylan or McLovin, and today I'm here with a server preview of the McBirdCraft server, which Molly and I are starting. And yeah, it's going to be starting up soon here, hopefully. We're working on the map right now. This is just the tutorial room, and once you get to the end of the tutorial room, you're going to be brought into this room where you'll be able to choose your spawn point. So right now, the only city that is actually up and running is Davenport. So if you wanted to spawn in Davenport, you just come walk over this. And there you go. Now your spawn point is now set to the Davenport Cemetery. And the way this is going to work is when you die, you're going to be sent back to the cemetery. And then from here, you are going to, like it says in chat, you're going to use /RTP Davenport. You can't actually get out of here. If you try to walk over here, there's actually a force field. I'm opt, so I'm able to do it. But normally you won't be able to do it, so all you do is do /RTP and then Davenport with a capital D. And that will teleport you near one of the buildings in the city. So we have a couple custom, not custom plugins, but we're using some plugins to make the game run differently than normal Minecraft. You're not going to actually be able to destroy any of the land, but there are areas in which you can actually mine stuff still, just like you're not going to be able to just like dig straight down right here and then get ores. Just first of all, because there is no ores, this map is made with World Painter and I didn't populate any ores throughout the map, but you can come to places like this and you will be able to what is it? Iron Spade 1. You will be able to let's just get everything out of here. Alright. You'll be able to collect clay and stuff here, as well as dirt and gravel. And each of these right now has a 1 minute respawn timer. So each of these will respawn in 1 minute. I'm not going to stick around to show you, but also we have this right here. If you see chiseled stone like this anywhere around, that means that you can place a torch. If it's like this, if the surface is facing, or if there's not a block on the surface, you're going to place it on the top. But if there's a block, like if it was like this, then you're going to place it on one of the sides. And usually I'll have it like that, so you only have one side to put it on, just so you're not confused. Torches burn out on these places, varying in different areas. Like in this area, the torch will burn out in 5 minutes. So if it's nighttime, you can light it up for 5 minutes. That didn't come back yet. It hasn't been a minute. I'm just going to go on to the next area to show you guys the mine. This is a full PvP server. The only place that PvP is going to be disabled is in the tutorial and in the cemeteries that are across the cities. When you, as you saw in the tutorial, you're going to be able to set your spawn point or your cemetery at a different city off the start. So if say you accidentally chose Ziba, but you wanted to choose Davenport, all you would have to do is go to the city's town hall. So you'd come over to Davenport, and then you go to the town hall, and there's a pressure plate like you saw in the spawn area, or the tutorial area, that actually will set your spawn back to this cemetery, and I'll show you that in a second. Here we have cobblestone, coal, oops, went too little too high, coal, and then iron over there. The same thing applies for the, where is one I could show you? The chiseled stone over there. When you place a torch on it, it has 5 minutes before it burns out. And then here we have some coal. This will come back after, the cobblestone's going to come back after 1 minute. The coal will come back after 2, and then the iron over here will come back after 5 minutes. There we go. Let's go ahead back over to the, I don't think this trader is actually configured correctly. I just showed it as a sort of an example earlier to somebody. But if you come over to this guy, they have trades, and these can be really. What are you doing? I guess I ungodded myself earlier. We have custom trades in here, so we can just set different things for custom trades. See? So yeah, we're gonna have custom villager trades, and we're also just using a regular economy as well. At banks, you will be able to exchange emeralds for currency and currency for emeralds, because since villagers don't take money, they take emeralds. So let's go over here, and hopefully the plugin is working correctly. Yeah, the clay is back, the dirt is back, torch is still there, and yeah. Torch didn't disappear yet just because it hasn't been 5 minutes yet. I'm going to actually warp back to Davenport just to show you the, what's that guy doing there? See, this guy has trades. If you trade 5 mob heads or 2 player heads, you can get these items right here. And this is the town hall. Each of the buildings are going to be marked with stuff. So the bed is a rentable room. The compass is to set your spawn. And the dragon egg is actually a dragon destination. So there's going to be dragon travel, which I'll show you here in a second. So yeah, if you press this, it's going to set your spawn. It's not going to teleport you like the first one did, but this actually sets your spawn. Upstairs, dragon transport and rooms. Come up here. Okay, so this is where the dragon transport is. Basically, from a dragon station, a dragon will land here if you choose this destination. And yeah. Let me go up here, show you the rooms. Alright, so we have these rooms for rent. Signs are a little bit broken right now. We need to change that. But, so right now, this room is for rent. All I would do is right-click the sign. And now it's rented for 59 minutes. If I right-click it again, it's going to add another hour. So you can... Clicking too fast. Calm down. There you go. Set up my time again. Again. And again. So now this room is mine for 5 hours. I can do this, like if I'm getting chased, I can come back to my room, close my doors, and the person can't get in. Let's just leave this open for now. And so there's those rooms, there's these rooms up here. And rooms are going to be by the hour. Houses that you can rent are going to be by the day. And then buildable lots, which we are not going to have until the map is completely done, are going to be rentable for a week. And you're actually going to be able to build on them. They're just going to be empty plots of land that you can build on. Looks like somebody spawned some villagers around the world. These little emeralds are for the shops. This guy's trades for meats. This is the butcher. So yeah, you can buy stuff from him. And I showed you that the inn has another shop. There's actually 3 shops above, and then there's 2 rooms in here where you can rent them. And then there's a shopkeeper down here as well. There's 1 shopkeeper down here and 3 upstairs that will buy custom items. The bank has ender chests in which you can store stuff. It's nice that you can store stuff, but it's pretty dangerous because you can come in here and then something can just walk up behind you and kill you. I was just, let's get that out of there. That's not actually going to stay in there. And then these are no longer in the game as of right now. But let's go to the next area. There's another custom shopkeeper in here. He just buys, he sells archery stuff, since it's a little archery range. And now I will go to, I don't think I have the logging camp set up as a warp. Let me just cut over. So this is a rentable house that you can actually rent for a day, or however long you rent it, but it goes in increments of days. And that's also another one over there. There's one near the mining the mining quarry place over here. Right there, there's a house. This is going to be a rentable house as well. There's going to be rentable houses all over the Here's another one. All over the islands and continents and everything, as well as buildable lots later on. There's the lumberjack house over there, and then here we are at the logging camp. Oh, looks like something, and not must have broke this and not placed one back. Normally that is not a problem, but alright, so you come here with your axe, and normally you're not going to be able to actually, since I'm op, I'm going to be able to break this block, but regular users are not going to be able to break anything but the stump. So you're going to break the stump. I stopped recording for a second. So you break the stump, and then it's going to actually plant a sapling. You'll see if my mouse stops being stupid. Alright, so you break that, you break the tree, and then after a second, a sapling will plant. You actually can't break the sapling, so that's a cool feature. So once you actually cut down the tree, it's going to replant itself, and then it'll grow in a certain amount of time. I'm getting lag. I probably shouldn't be uploading while I'm recording. Alright, so yeah, that's about all the features. Actually, let me show you the dragon travel real fast. Need to delete this stupid thing. Didn't work out. You can actually get here from the ground. There is a bridge in the water. There's that house I showed you. There's a bridge down there, and then you just enter through the cave, and you come up. There's a little... It's going to be dark, so you're actually going to need torches if you want to be able to get through here easily. But there's these on the wall where you can place torches, so you can light it up. This place actually only has, I believe, a 1-minute timer for torches, so they'll despawn after 1 minute. It might be 2 minutes. But you come to this glowstone right here. There's actually going to be signs. You're not going to have to type any commands, but I'll just show you this one, and then we're going to end the video. I think I actually deleted it, so unfortunately that's not going to work. I'll just mount the dragon, I guess, just so I can show you guys it a little bit. Calm down, dragon. Calm your wings. It's a little buggy sometimes. Let's try it. Oh, actually, I think you have to do stationary dragon or something like that. Let me do DT stat dragon. I actually just put the dragon there. It's pretty cool. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to actually ride the dragon, and it will take you to whichever destination you have. If you are a tier 2 donator or above, you're going to be able to have the command, which is DT set home. And what that will do is it'll set a home, and then once you come to a station like this one, you will use the sign DT home, and then it'll actually take you to that spot that you pointed out. So like if you want to save an area, like maybe it's not even your home, like you just save your place near a dungeon. So if you die, you can come back to a station and then actually go back to the dungeon without having to walk there. The cool thing about being on a dragon is you are safe. You actually can't be shot down. I don't know if that's disableable. I would like it if people could actually shoot you down while you're up there. That'd be pretty awesome. But yeah, that's what we have so far. Hope I didn't miss anything. Not all the features are incorporated. Like we're going to have places where you can actually farm wheat as well as mushrooms and stuff like that. But so far we have Davenport built. I should probably change my record button so I stop accidentally hitting it. So yeah, basically that's it. That's what we have on the server so far. We're looking to do a little test on like balancing loot, and also we're gonna have loot chests like a lot of other servers have, where you can get stuff just around the thing. This is our little project board. Don't even see that. Here's a little loot chest thing. You're gonna be able to travel to different cities using boats. That's what the little boat sign on that is. You can rent a room here, and there's shops here. Just to show you guys the port. So yeah, just wanted to say goodbye, and we're going to be trying to do a public test within the next week or two. Hopefully, we're having some problems with World Painter. If any of you guys are like familiar with World Painter and can maybe tell me why we're having some problems with when we paint it, never mind. I'm not going to get into that. If you guys are avid with World Painter, just let me know in a message or something, and I'll let you guys know the problem there. I will talk to you guys later. This has been McLovin, and yeah, see ya. Bye.